So I think an election benefits and needs the support of a free and open media, and we're certainly engaged there. It needs participation by citizens, civil society organizations that help people come together to express their political interests, and we certainly support there as well. I think that the mechanics of an election are important. Observation, ensuring that people in this country are able to go to the polls, represent and observe the polls and report back to their fellow citizens about how they believe the polling went. And we certainly support that. So when I speak about institutions, it's a very broad sense. And I think it's also what we've been doing for decades, as I said. So all of these aspects are things that we've been supporting, which I think will be helpful in ensuring that the elections go forward and are as successful as possible. On sanctions,